Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In this video, I am going to explain you what is Python, why should we learn Python, and why Python is so popular. So, the Python is the fastest growing and the most popular programming language. One of my friends asked me that what makes Python programming language differ from another programming languages. Python is the most popular language not amongst the software engineer but also amongst the data analysts, data scientists, mathematician, network engineer. It also used to accomplish various tasks like artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, and visualization. We also use Python to build data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, automation, web application, mobile application, desktop application, testing, and hacking. You might be thinking that we can all do this with other programming language as well, right? Python is popular because it solves complex program in less time with fewer lines of code. So it is a high-level programming language with a huge community. So we don't have to worry about memory management. It has a cross-platform. That means it has a huge community. Whenever you get stuck, there is someone else to help you out. So if you have any doubts, please mail me or comment me. So if you like my video, please do like, share and comment. Thank you for watching this video.